we really have this ethos of like, let's tell the story of today, from here, because every day of the year, 365 days a year, there's such a beautiful story to tell here.
There is, yeah, there definitely is. It's a love story.
It's a love story.
It is, yeah.
So we're always inspired by what's happening, especially here, but around us, and really a reflection of the season. So when our guests come to visit us, whether they're local guests or they're visiting our region, is we really want to steep them, not only in a sense of place of where they are here in Sonoma, but the time within that place. You are here in this moment of this season, right here. And it's a really special feeling for our guests to feel this really sense of like this fleeting moment that they're happening.
Running my own farm, like creating this space and having the ability to steward this little slice of land on this big, beautiful earth. It's an ability to nurture something that is so much bigger than me, with people who care so deeply about it.
And your farming gives us in the restaurant a sense of purpose around like knowing what we're doing and what we're doing it for. So, creatively, we're not saying, what do we want to cook? It's really you saying, here's what you have.
Yeah.
And then we make all of our creative decisions based on that, which is a really exciting way to cook.
But also it's not just the ingredients that we have,
Right.
like the crops that we're growing. I mean, we decided to really grow roots like here in Sonoma County because it's such a beautifully supportive agricultural community.
Yeah.
We want to support our fellow farmers and we need their support as well. We have so much to learn from one another.
Yeah.
When we came onto this property, it really needed to be rehabilitated. The soil was definitely not where it is today, and we had to put a lot of love and a lot of energy, a lot of process into creating something that was not just going to serve us, but hopefully like many generations to come, and we're seeing the results of all of that hard work. And so it's a collective vision and a collective effort at this point.
Yeah, I think everything we do here, right, it's not to say like, oh, Katina's farm and her farming, or my dishes or my menu, or right? It's like single threads. It's like so many people are contributing creatively, operationally to that vision that started with you and I, and so many people are sort of collectively adding to that rather than the vision of an individual or two individuals.
Yeah, definitely. Everybody helps to write a part of the story that I hope will be very, very long.